Aloha, welcome. Today we're going to make the no Oi cocktail, one of our specialty cocktails here at Monkeypod Kitchen. And the reason we call it the no Oi is because no Oi means the best, and all of the ingredients are of top quality and also grown here on Maui. The first ingredient is Thai basil. We use about 5 Thai basil leaves. These all come from a plant that is actually at my ex-girlfriend's mother's house, who I adore. It's a true story. The next ingredient we use is fresh lime juice. We use 3/4 of an ounce. This is also from up in Kula. Half an ounce of simple syrup, which is made from local Maui sugarcane. 1 ounce of a mixture of lilikoi, which is a local passion fruit, egg whites, and honey. The honey actually comes from the Big Island. And last but not least, we have 2 ounces of Maui Ocean vodka, which is also from up in Kula, made from organic sugarcane, grown on their farm. We add local ice. You want to give this a real hard shake because there's egg whites in this drink, and it gives it like a nice airy texture. And the top of this drink should have a nice kind of white, frothy foam on top. And we find the perfect Thai basil leaf for garnish. Enjoy.